Hey everyone, it's Michael Robbins, November 5th, 2:43 p.m. Pacific time. And yes, the election happened 3 days ago or 2 days ago, and yet there's no winner yet. And obviously this program is usually focused on analyst sentiment and COVID, but everybody's all about the presidential election right now, so. Um, This is why folks think that Biden will win. He's up in Nevada, and that's all he needs to throw it over the top. He still also has a chance in some of these places, but we could literally be getting an answer within hours. So the market has been on fire, especially NASDAQ, just huge, huge gains. We can just look at like the past 5 days, from 10,900 to 11,900. Yeah, it's amazing. Now let's look at that year chart. Wow, that's incredible. So here's COVID right here, right? Mid-March, it got to a recovery, and yeah, very, very strong. Um, we'll have a look at one more. So look at the S&P for a year. It's not quite as strong as NASDAQ. As you can see, it's just kind of like barely recovered, but it's also had pretty good week. So this is it. It's because of gridlock. It's because it looks like the Republicans will hold on to the Senate, and if the Democrats take the White House, then yay, we have gridlock. And why is that good? It means that only the most important and best policies really get pushed through. So over here on Fox, it's talking about the market kind of fed in a holding pattern. Yeah, and basically the election result could be just hours away, maybe even minutes. I actually tried to do this recording a couple days ago. I had some tech issues, so there were some things on Seeking Alpha, but now, unfortunately, their editor-in-chief passed away, so a lot of their stories is about that. I haven't looked at this, but I kind of figure what it's talking about is that gold is still doing well, and those people who are on the short side of gold, yeah, are really in a squeeze right there. Let's see, is there anything else over here? Yeah, just a lot of positive market news. This is over on CNBC, and yeah, see, it's very, very election oriented. Here's Barrons. Stocks up as count continues. The Fed's going to leave things alone. Oh, here's the futures today. Wow. Wait, is it? No, this is Wednesday. Thursday. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's giving us the futures for today yet. But yeah, very interesting time. Pandemic cases and deaths going up. We've got an election that the whole world is watching, and the markets seem to be happy about it. I do have some concerns that this is kind of a buy on the hype and sell on the news type of situation, and that we're having this run up that will give a bit back. I mean, the profit taking alone is gotta it's got to pull back a little bit. But yeah, we shall soon see. Just probably a day at the most. We will know the results of this election. We will see how the markets respond to that certainty, and it's a very exciting time. So we'll leave it there. And a couple years ago, when people say hindsight's 2020, hindsight says who dis.